So in number 3, we're asked to find the values of x for which h of x is equal to p of x. So h of x is 3 halves x minus 1. So we're going to write here 3 halves x minus 1. And p of x is equal to 3/4 x plus 2. This equation is easier to solve if the fractions are not there. So if we can make them disappear, it will be really good. So I will find a number that when I multiply by the left side and the right side, the fractions will disappear. If I want to make the fraction on the left side disappear, I can multiply the left side by 2, and that fraction will disappear from the left. But it's not going to make the fraction on the right side disappear. So I will use, instead of 2, I will use 4. And I notice that when I use 4, the fraction on the left side and the fraction on the right side will both disappear at the same time. So let's multiply the left by 4 over 1, and this one, the right side, by also 4 over 1. So now 4 times 3 is 12 over 1 times 2 is 2, x minus 4 times 1 is 4 equals 4 times 3 is 12 over 4 times 1 is 4, then x plus 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, let's clean up. 12 over 2 is 6x minus 4 equals 12 divided by 4 is 3x plus 8. Now we isolate the x from the constant, so we'll have minus 3x minus 3x. So we'll have now 3x minus 4 is equal to, this disappears, positive 8. And we add 4 to both sides to isolate the x. So this disappears. We'll have 3x on the left side and 12 on the right side. So now we will undo the times 3 by dividing by 3. And so we'll have x is equal to 4. Checking. All right, so the original equation is 3 halves x minus 1 equals 3/4 x plus 2. So we'll have 3 halves times 4 minus 1 is it equal to 3/4 times 4 plus 2. So we can put a 1 underneath here, and then we notice that we can cancel the 4's. That will give us 1. So 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2. While on the left side, we'll have 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 3 times 2 is 6 minus 1. Now 6 minus 1 on the left side equals 5. And 3 plus 2 on the right side is also 5. Therefore, our answer is correct. Now, let's do number 4. We want to find the values of x that will make f of x times g of x equal to m of x. So what's f of x? F of x is x times g of x is 3x plus 5 equals m of x is 3x squared plus 2x plus 8. Okay, now we we will apply distributive property here. So x times 3x is 3x squared plus x times 5 is 5x equals 3x squared plus 2x plus 8. Now we want the x's together, so we're going to take away 3x squared from the right side, and we do the same thing to the left side. So we'll have, x squared disappeared on both sides. So now we'll have 5x equals 2x plus 8. Now we'll subtract 2x to isolate the variable from the constant. So 2x here. So now we'll have 5x minus 2x is 3x. 2x minus 2x is 0 equals 8. Then we divide both sides by 3, and we'll get x equals 8 over 3. Now let's check. Okay, so we'll have here x times 3x plus 5 equals 3x squared plus 2x plus 8. Okay, so our x is 8 over 3. So we'll have 8 over 3 times 3 times 8 over 3 plus 5. Is it equal to 3 times 8 over 3 squared plus 2 times 8 over 3 plus 8? Well, we can clean this up. 3 times 8 over 3 we can cancel. So now this is going to be 8 over 3 times 8 plus 5, which is 13, equals, this is 3 times 64 over 9 plus, we can put a 1 underneath, and this is going to be 16 over 3 plus 8. So now we'll have, we can put a 1 underneath, and 8 times 13 is, 13 times 8 is 24, carry 2, 104. So 104 over 3. Okay, while here, we can cancel 3 and 9. This becomes 3. So we'll have 64 over 3 plus 16 over 3. So 64 over 3, let me write it down, 64 over 3 plus 16 over 3 plus 8. And 64 plus 16 is, okay, let's put a 1 underneath the 8, and then multiply both numerator and denominator by 3 so that all the fractions now will have the same denominator. Okay, so let me bring this over here. So let's erase this. Okay, let's bring this over here. So we have here 104 over 3 is equal to 64 plus 16 is 80 over 3 plus 8 times 3 is 24 over 3. And so now we'll have 104 over 3 equals 80 plus 24 is 104 over 3. So since they're equal, our answer 8 over 3 is correct.